Hey Roses, welcome back to my channel. This is OlenaRosanne and I am tired of my hair. I want some bangs, but I don't want to cut it again because that's what I normally do. But you know what? Maybe I will. Maybe I should. No. Well, how about this? You think so? Nah, I don't think so either. I have an idea. What about using two bobby pins to create a faux bang? Stay tuned and you'll see how. Okay, Roses, so let's go ahead and get into this with these two bobby pins and this faux bang. Now, before we really get into it, I need you to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I'm pulling my hair back. I'm taking one bobby pin with the bumpy side of the bobby pin down. That creates more of a grip. And then I'm taking the second bobby pin and crisscrossing it over the first. That will create the hole that I need. Okay. Oh, no. That's not what I want. I wanted a faux bang, not a ponytail. Let's try this again. Okay. That's about where I want it, so that is where I'm going to put the pins in at. Yeah, I think that works. Let's give it a try. There goes one bobby pin, and remember, bumpy side down if you want a firm hold. And here goes the second bobby pin. If I get it open, okay, here we go. Cross it right over the next. Create a little bit of an X. And I think I have it, y'all. Okay, that's the length I was going for. So let's go ahead and fluff on this hair on out. Situate your curls or however your hair is in the formation you want it to be in the front of your head. So I'm going to try to work this one out. Yeah, I'm still at it. Separating curls, trying to hide my forehead a little bit. Okay. That's more like it. What do you think, Roses? Have you subscribed yet? Oh. No? Okay, come on now. Let's get that subscription down and that notification bell. Okay. I think I'm done. One more thing. Let me separate this curl a little bit. Okay. I think I really am done this time, Roses. So what do you think? You see how easy that is? Let me know if you've ever tried a faux bang. Yes. Talk to you later, Roses. Bye.